It's been a hard series of days for those who live in Pajaro.
It's really hard because we all have kids, we can't get clothing for them. I'm still wearing the same clothes I had from Saturday.
Other evacuees telling us that they're anxious about the repairs they know will need to be done to their flood-damaged homes.
We need to take the carpets and fix the room, the walls and everything, so who wanna pay?
As crews work to stabilize the levee, one main question of many evacuees is why more hasn't been done to strengthen it, something the county addressed in a Tuesday press briefing.
It was determined a long time ago that the current levees are not adequate.
The county says that they've done as much maintenance as they can with the funding they've been provided and expect more money to be given. As for rebuilding the levee, that may not be done for 8 to 10 years, but there is hope that that process can be accelerated.
The conversation is pivoting as we speak amidst all this emergency response to how can we remove as many administrative barriers as we can to get this project started.
Mark Strudley is the executive director of the recently formed Pajaro Regional Flood Management Agency. The plan is for the agency to implement the new levee reconstruction project and take over maintenance and operations. He says he has calls set up with the White House and key government agencies about getting the project moving faster.
I'm really hopeful that this is catching the attention of the Army Corps and that the tremendous amount of support that we've actually been getting from them recently is going to accelerate to the point where we actually can put this project in the ground sooner than we all thought, and that we can complete it sooner than we all thought.
As much flooding as there still is in Pajaro, the water has actually receded some, but right now there's still not a clear picture as to when evacuees can return home. When asked if it would be days, weeks, or months, the county would only say that it would not be a matter of days before the residents could return home. In Pajaro, Zach Fuentes, ABC 7 News.